Hello YouTube family, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Verizon Business Spot. Who is Verizon Business? Verizon Business Group, the business segment, provides various wireless and wireline communication service and product for enterprise and public sector, business market and other wholesale customers. How do I speak to a Verizon agent? Contracting a human at Verizon via phone call Verizon customer service at 800 922 between 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. When prompted to state why you are calling, press 0. After being asked again to state the reason for your call, press 0 again. Wait for the system to connect you a Verizon representative. Verizon customer service 24/7. Yes, Verizon premium technical support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Call anytime you need technical assistance, even in the middle of the night or on a holiday. We are always here waiting to help you. What is the number of 1-800-922-0204? If your password or PIN code is lost, stolen, or used without your permission, call us immediately at 1-800-922-0204. If you disclose your password or PIN, a third-party bill payment vendor, Verizon Wireless, is not responsible for the accuracy and timeline for your bill payment. How do I get in touch with Verizon Business? Account and sign up support wireless customer. What is Verizon $35 a month plan? With Verizon Start Unlimited, you can get unlimited text, talk, and data for $35 per month per line. Other perks include free 6-month subscription to Apple Music and Disney Plus, so you can listen to your favorite gems and catch up our streaming Disney classic with your grandkids. Does Verizon support email to text? Compose a message as if you were sending a standard email. Note your message must be 160 character or less, including the subject line and email address. In the to field enter the 10-digit number. There are a Verizon.com email policy. We are no longer offer Verizon Net email service and have previously notified all Verizon Net email customer of the need to immediately migrate their email off the AOL platform to maintain their Verizon Net email address or third-party platform. Does Verizon have an email address? Verizon have retired our email service. We have completed our notification regarding this change, and customer no longer have the option to keep their Verizon Net email address or extract and move their data to another service provider. For support and help with your email, please contact your email provider directly. What is 5G Start? 5G Start is a monthly unlimited mobile phone plan. This plan is no longer available to add to account here. What you get with 5G premium mobile hotspot data, then unlimited lower speed data. Air Verizon phone unlock the combat theft and fraud. Verizon lock all prepaid and postpaid device for 60 days. Check out for all devices unlocking policies. After that time, Verizon automatically remove the lock. Will not lock phone again at any time. How do I pay my Verizon bill? Automatically manage autopay. Open the My Verizon app. Tap the account tab at the bottom. If promote, enter your password, finger or face ID. Edit profile and setting at the top. Scroll the payment section, then do one of the following to set up auto pay. Enroll in auto pay. Select the desired payment method, then tap. How do I check my Verizon phone bill? View and download your Verizon mobile bill app. Verizon Mobile Protect include coverage for loss, theft, damage, and post-warranty multi-functions. Verizon Mobile Protect benefit include Pro on the go same day deliver and setup for replacement smartphone and when you buy a new device on Verizon.com. MRD delivery and setup for replacement smartphone and when you buy a new device on Verizon.com. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you.